Hey everyone, welcome back to EVTOL Startup Consultant. Imagine an aircraft that takes off vertically like a helicopter, cruises at jet speeds up to 500 miles per hour, uses half the fuel of traditional engines, is dramatically quieter, and has no spinning blades or propellers at all. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's real, and it's called the Fluidic Propulsion System from Jet Optera, a groundbreaking bladeless technology that's turning heads in aviation. In this video, we'll dive into how it works, why it's a game changer for VTOL aircraft and urban air mobility, and the latest updates as of 2025. Stick around, this could redefine how we fly. Hit that like button if you're excited about the future of flight, and let's jump in. Jet Optera is a Seattle-based aerospace startup founded by engineers with experience from places like GE and Textron. Their big innovation is the Fluidic Propulsive System, or FPS, often called a bladeless propulsion system because there are no visible rotors, props, or fans. It's inspired by those Dyson bladeless fans you might have at home, but supercharged for aviation. Instead of spinning blades pushing air, Jet Optera uses fluid dynamics to amplify thrust massively, like a bladeless fan on steroids. The company has been developing this since the 2010s, winning multiple U.S. Air Force contracts, partnering with big names like GE Aviation and Northrop Grumman, and securing dozens of patents. How does the bladeless propulsion actually work? All right, let's break it down. No magic here, just smart physics. The core is a gas generator, usually a small turboshaft engine or compressor that produces a high-pressure stream of compressed air. This air is piped through conduits to specially shaped thrusters. These can be round like a ring or rectangular to fit along wings. Inside the thruster, the compressed air is forced through tiny slits along the inner surface, shaped like airfoil profiles. As it flows over these curved surfaces, it creates a low-pressure area due to the Coanda effect. That's where fast-moving air sticks to curved surfaces. This low pressure sucks in massive amounts of ambient air from the front, up to 3 times augmentation. The primary compressed air entrains surrounding air, accelerating it out the back as powerful thrust. No moving parts in the thrusters means simpler, lighter, safer, and quieter operation. Jet Optera claims 50% less fuel than small turbojets, 30% lighter than turbofans or props, up to 25 to 40 decibels quieter. That's like whispering versus a lawnmower. Safer, no blades to injure ground crew. Why does this matter? Traditional VTOL, like helicopters, are noisy and inefficient at high speeds. Tilt rotors are complex with heavy mechanics. Jet Optera's FPS allows distributed propulsion, thrusters placed anywhere, even integrated into wings for extra lift via upper surface blowing. Their signature airframe is the Prandtl boxwing, super compact for landing, low drag in cruise. Front thrusters can fold away once airborne. Concepts include J2000, manned passenger VTOL, 200 knots, quiet like a car from 200 feet away. J500, cargo drone for the UAE market, 500-pound payload. High-speed military HS VTOL aiming for Mach 0.8. Perfect for urban air taxis, cargo delivery, emergency response, and military ops where silence and speed are key. As of late 2025, Jet Optera is making huge progress. In June at the Paris Air Show, they successfully ran the first engine to test for their FTC 250 turbocompressor, the heart of the J500 cargo drone. They've started performance mapping tests and static thruster demos up to 250 lbf. Partnerships continue with EAN in Dubai for unmanned cargo platforms. Military interest is strong. AF Works, DARPA programs for high-speed VTOL. They're scaling up with manned prototypes on the horizon. Jet Optera's bladeless propulsion could make flying quieter, safer, and more efficient, paving the way for true urban air mobility. What do you think? Will we see these in the skies soon? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech and aviation videos, turn on notifications, and check out Jet Optera's site for more. Thanks for watching, fly safe, and see you next time.